Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are doing an I want to say unboxing, but technically it's an unbagging here of my BeeBeeCraft design package. And so in the description box below, you will find links to all the items found in this bag, and there will also be a discount code for you. So, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. It is bright and early on Friday, August 30th. Happy anniversary to my husband. Yay. All right, so let's see what we have in here. I only remember the one thing that I ordered. So, that I believe is the book cloth that I ordered. We'll open it and see. Ooh, got some cool bags. Oh, now it's coming back to me. I don't know what's in there. Don't know what's in there. I literally cannot remember what I ordered, you guys. So, this is exciting. This is exciting. So I wanted to say a special thank you to BeeBeeCraft for agreeing to work with me. I appreciate it. Oh, I know what this is. I do. Oh, these are way bigger than I thought. Oh, cool. So these are like a bigger version of the, they're like the brads with the hoops on them, like that we do on spines to like hang dangles on and stuff. So how cool is that? I mean, that's a really big size. Let me get my tape measure or my ruler, excuse me. And that measures, let's do it on the flat part here. Those are about 3/4 inch across. So that is really cool and lots of options. So they came in gold. They came in like antique bronze. They came in, that's brass, Jody. I'm looking at the bronze and saying bronze when I'm holding the brass. My apologies. And silver. So the fun thing about the silver and gold is I'm hoping that they will take alcohol inks. So we have 4 different colors. And so bronze, brass, gold, and silver. Okay. And you can see they come in their individual bags so they don't get all mixed up. And surprise, surprise, clearly I didn't think they were that big. So really fun to make dangles on spines or for a way to put trim on a cover. So we'll be playing with those in another video. Set those aside. Okay, and then here I have Lego. Oh, yes. Some awesome glassine bags. Like, look at that. Is that not awesome? What does this measure? Excuse my voice, you guys. I apologize. Just over 4 1/4 by like 5 3/8 ish. So a really nice size to go on a page. So if we were to set that on a page, that would be a wonderful size to use. How cute. I love those. All right. So you'll be seeing those in a make as well. And then what else do we have here? What did I get? I don't remember. Ooh, okay. In here, we have some fun little skeleton pieces. So you guys can guess where I'm going with that. And just in time. Oh my gosh, he's like got his little katukas hung out there like he's boogieing to the music. So those are going to be a lot of fun. You're also going to be seeing those coming up in a video. Love, love, love. And we all know I figured out how to break the dies apart finally. Yay. All right. And I will put those back in when I'm not filming. Oh, I spilled my... Oh, and this is like hinges and door plates. So I've got a key, a hinge. Oh, that's going to be a lot of fun. Couple of, actually 2 skeleton keys. some plates. We'll get them cut. Keyhole there. Keyhole there. So these will be really fun pieces we could either use on covers, on the edge of pages, on the edge of tags or journaling cards. So we'll be seeing those coming up as well. Those will be fun. Also, we'll put those back in the bag when I'm done filming because that will be loud to fight that in there. I probably will just go ahead and put those on magnetic sheets in an envelope for my thing. And then again, you can find a discount code in the description box below with links to these items. All right. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry about that. I hope that wasn't too loud. Ooh, and this looks really nice. It's book cloth. Oh, that's a really nice color and a really nice feel to that. Yes, it is. And I believe it's sticky backed. Let's see, I'll just peel a corner here. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. I don't know. I don't remember. Well, we will figure that out in just a minute. Okay, I was wrong. I don't believe it's sticky backed. I believe that's part of it. So, really nice. And like there's a little bit of wrinkling around the edge here, but I don't think that's going to matter because that would be what we would wrap around our edges anyway. So, you know, you probably won't see that. So we will be making something with this coming up pretty quickly here as well. So some really nice pieces. This feels really nice. I'm looking forward to working with it because I've never actually worked with book cloth before. I always just kind of make my own. So this will be a nice treat for me. And again, thank you to BeeBeeCraft Designs for working with me and sending me the products. And I'm looking forward to playing with them and giving you guys some feedback. So thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, remember, if you decide to go check out BeeBeeCraft, to check the description box, grab that coupon code and make sure you use it. Number one, it's going to save you a little bit of money. And number two, it's going to let them know that you came to them via me. So have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.